Enjoy the freedom of movement again through a hip replacement at the Teknon Medical Center in Barcelona. The success rate of this surgery is 99%. It is achieved due to vast doctors' experience, high-precision equipment, and unique methods. Watch this video to learn more about a hip replacement at Teknon, operation cost, innovative methods, and package available for patients on Bookimed.com. Teknon is among the best hospitals globally according to the Newsweek magazine. The ranking is based on key medical performance indicators, patient satisfaction data, and recommendations from global medical experts. JCI and EFQM accreditations confirm the quality and safety of clinic services. Celebrities, sportsmen, and world-known politicians entrust their health to Teknon Hospital. Teknon doctors delivered a famous singer Shakira's baby. Operated Andres Iniesta, a Spanish professional footballer. And Thomas Roller, a German javelin thrower. Teknon surgeons perform more than 23,500 operations annually. Doctors use a sparing hip replacement method called resurfacing to preserve the femur integrity. Patients start walking on their own in 2 days. After traditional surgery, it may happen in 5 days. Doctors use the navigation system Brain Lab to raise the implant placement accuracy. This approach reduces the risk of endoprosthesis loosening and prolongs its lifetime. The results of hip replacement performed in Teknon are preserved for more than 25 years. Hospitalization lasts up to 5 days. Full recovery takes 2 to 3 months. Patients can speed it up with a special rehab training. Dr. Rafael Gonzalez Adria Wagner, an orthopedic surgeon with over 25 years of experience, manages most hip replacement surgeries at Teknon. He has performed over 700 joint replacements with a 99% success rate. Teknon offers a hip replacement program that costs from $45,990. It includes consultation with an orthopedist, a stay in an individual ward, echocardiography, angiography, 3D CT, ultrasound, electrocardiogram, and blood tests. Read real patient reviews about a hip replacement at Teknon on the Bookimed website to make an informed decision. Only patients or their companions who booked through the Bookimed website can provide feedback. Bookimed is an international medical tourism platform. Over 600,000 patients have used it so far. We provide a personal medical coordinator, treatment arrangement, 24/7 assistance, and protection of your interests. Thank you for your time. We have been working since 2014, and during this period, we have gained invaluable experience in solving medical issues of any complexity. Submit a request on the Bookimed website for free assistance and medical trip arrangement. A medical coordinator will study your case and contact you shortly.